بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم.
جی
جی
یہاں سے شروع ہوتا ہے.
جی
کیونکہ آپ کو وہی پھر آ گئی امریکہ کی بات.
سر آپ وہ ٹائم پیریڈ
آپ بتائیں نا 2 سال کا اپنے انتخاب کیوں کیا یہ بتائیے.
سر بیکاز دیٹ از ریئلی دا برتھ آف دا ماڈرن کانسٹیٹیوشن. دیٹ از ہاؤ میری ریڈنگ آف ہسٹری یہی ہے.
ٹھیک ہے فیصل صاحب اگر آپ اس کا آئین کا ذرا شروع پڑھیں نا
جی
اس میں ماڈرنزم کا تذکرہ نہیں ہے.
جی جی
پڑھ لیجئے آئین کا پہلا
جی
پہلے 2 سطر پڑھ لیجئے.
جی جی سر جی سر جی سر. سر پریمبل میں پڑھ رہا ہوں. جی
نہیں اس سے بھی پہلے پڑھ لیجئے.
اس سے بھی پریمبل سے پہلے.
جی جی
بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم.
جی
جی
یہاں سے شروع ہوتا ہے.
جی
پڑھیے ماڈرن ایج کا تذکرہ کہاں ہے ذرا بتائیں. پڑھتے ہیں؟
نہیں
پڑھ لیتے ہیں نا.
سر ان دا نیم آف اللہ دا بینیفیشنٹ دا مرسیفل. اور پھر پریمبل ہے سر. جی
ہاں پڑھیے.
جی. Whereas sovereignty over the entire universe belongs to Almighty Allah alone, and the authority to be exercised by the people of Pakistan within the limits prescribed by him is a sacred trust.
ٹھیک ہے نا. So now these limits apply to parliamentarians.
جی جی
These limits apply to, I would imagine, judges. These limits, I would imagine, apply to the press also. Or would you disagree?
No, I don't disagree at all.
You don't disagree?
جی
Now let's go to 204.
جی
The contempt clause article.
جی جی سر. Sir, if I may read. Sub-article 1. In this article, court means the Supreme Court or a High Court. Sub-article 2. The court shall have power to punish any person who abuses, interferes with or obstructs the process of the court in any way or disobeys any order of the court. B. Scandalizes the court or otherwise does anything which tends to bring the court or a judge of the court into hatred, ridicule, or contempt. C. Does anything which tends to prejudice the determination of a matter pending before the court. Or D. Does any other thing which by law constitutes contempt of the court. Sub-article 3. The exercise of the... جی سر میں یہ بھی پڑھ دوں اگر پلیز. Sub-article 3. The exercise of the power conferred on a court by this articles may be regulated by law and subject to law by rules made by the court, sir.
Now, do you think what was said comes under scandalization of the court or otherwise does anything which tends to bring the court or a judge of the court into hatred, ridicule, or contempt? Let's seek your opinion as senior counsel officer of this court, not representing your clients.
Sir, are you talking about both the press conferences, sir?
Mr. Faisal Siddiqui, I think you've understood the question.
نہیں کیونکہ دونوں پریس کانفرنسز پہ آپ کے اوپر ڈفرنٹ اوپینینز ہو سکتے ہیں. I think one of the
if
press
you want to be facetious, start with one, go to the other one.
Yes. I think as far as the press...
I presume you've read them,
yes,
heard
I have.
them.
Yes, I have. That is why I'm taking...
So it's not a very complicated question. In your opinion, does it scandalize the court or a judge or brings him into hatred, ridicule, or contempt?
Yes.
Either it does or it doesn't.
Yes.
Very simple question.
Yes, my opinion is, my lord, that, and this is my personal opinion as an officer of the court.
Mr. Faisal Siddiqui, opinions are always personal. So let's cut down on language and go to the meat of the matter.
جی میں کسی کے لیے my personal opinion is that as far as...
I'm glad that this is not your wife's opinion.
Sir, as far as the press conference by Mustafa Kamal is concerned, I don't think it falls within the ambit of scandalizing the court. But as far as the press conference of Mr. Faisal Wauda is
What about
concerned,
the other, bringing a judge of a court into hatred, ridicule or contempt?
I don't think Mustafa Kamal's press conference, the difference sir दोनों में है कि
کیا پہلے ایک ختم کر لینا.
جو فیصل واؤڈا صاحب کی پریس کانفرنس ہے اس میں ججز کا نام لے کے ان کو ٹارگٹ
Is
کیا
it contempt in your opinion?
The first is prima facie contempt. First is, I think, prima facie contempt.
Achha.
As far as Mustafa Kamal, I don't think it is.
Were the matters that were talked about, now we come to
Ji sir.
C.
Ji.